And in the meantime, we're going to keep drawing tickets, yes? Okay, so we're going to do a couple of big ones, yeah?
You be the winner.
All right.